Hey guys, Mr. Joshua again, and tonight I figured, you know what? It's 1 o'clock in the morning, and I felt like I should do another custom Gundam MSA. So tonight we are doing a dual custom MSA review. And tonight we are reviewing my two custom Chars recolored Zaku 2s. And like I said before, these two original, Chars Zaku 2s that have been recolored. When most importantly, what's really cool about these two figures is that the colors will not scratch off. The light brown and dark brown that you see are not paint. Now they're it's dyed. So let's get down to the review. Now the figures are both exactly the same, except this one's a little bit darker than the other. And when I received both these figures, they were missing parts and stuff. So they're missing the arm shields. And what I did was, I fabricate toys, and I resin cast toys and such. And I resin cast both of these two cool little shields. I'm actually in the process of battle scarring. And so far they look pretty cool. They're pretty much identical. I dyed both of them black. I use a special type of resin that actually absorbs the color inside of dye pretty well. And these two little scrape little things you see on the shields, that's where the these weird fuck, sorry, that's where these two weird little spike things never fully develop in the resin casting process. I think it actually might be a faulty mold that I have, which is fine because what I do is I have a second mold that I use specifically for the spikes. This little dude right here, and it does molds really well. So what I do is I'll fill this up with resin cast. After it's done drying, I'll actually cut them out, and I'll drill little holes where they're supposed to be, and I'll stick them in there and glue them in, and it works really well. But this dude right here, he's actually my favorite out of both of them. He's the one that's most complete. He has the cables and such, and yeah, I remade him a new shield. It sticks in there just fine. What I did is I took a piece of plastic. Sorry, there we go. I took a piece of hard plastic in there, and there it goes again, dropping. Anyway, sorry, I'm tired. But I put this nice little piece of plastic in there, and it acts like a peg. It's basically a peg. That's what it is, and it just slides right in there and holds up pretty well. Man, it's nice and tight fit. I really enjoyed it. And this dude right here, when I bought this figure, he was actually incomplete. He was missing the heat hawk, the spiky little shoulder shield, the the leg cables, and he was just incomplete, but he was still pretty cool. And so what I did with this guy is I used a different type of dye on him. I used a what was it? I use this RIT synthetic dye on there because the synthetic dye is a lot more stronger than the regular dye, and your figures actually pull in more color that way quicker too. Now, if I were to use the regular dye on this guy, it would take me like a couple hours getting the way he is now, versus the synthetic dye, which would literally take like 5 to 10 minutes, if that. But yeah, I did the same process with the shield, and the way this guy came out was pretty awesome. I don't know, you can call him like a dual shielded Zaku 2 custom or something. I don't know. He's cool looking. I really like him. And they're both standard version ones. There's nothing else different besides the color. And they're just really fun figures that I did. And these two are actually going to be at my eBay store pretty soon as separate bids, of course. And if you guys are interested, it's going to be on eBay pretty soon. And thanks for watching. All of you guys have a wonderful night.